I'm gonna try to use these sticks and this rope stuff I found. It's like roots or something to make a boat. And I'm gonna send the boat down a little stream. Update, this rope stuff, it just breaks apart. Maybe I'm gonna try to get it wet next. See if it doesn't break apart as easily. Otherwise I gotta find another kind of rope material. Next update, making this stuff wet helped, but I don't know what I'm doing. I got these pieces of long grass. They seem to work kind of, but I can't like get it working here. I figured out. I'm making a video. Can't find any more of this stuff. I looked all through. I couldn't find any of it. So I found these pieces of, I don't know what this is, some weed. And it's got pretty good tensile strength. And I picked it out of the ground and I killed it. And so maybe I'll be able to use that to put these logs together. I got super frustrated. I lost patience. I think I'm gonna try a simpler method now. Alright, I'm not saying I'm super proud of this, but you know, I got like, it's going. I don't know, I got some sticks and I wrap some weeds stuff around them and they're kind of together. And all it has to do is float. So, heading down to the stream right now. Alright, the stream starts right here and it goes off that way. There's some ducks in there that might cause an issue. But I did find that there's like these long pieces of grass down here that might be really helpful later. Okay, here we go. Okay. 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 God, okay. I think this part's hard because of all the grass. Okay. 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 Uh-oh. Okay.
Falling apart.
Okay. Oop. Okay. Yeah.
There you go.
Oh, okay. Oh boy.
No.
Okay, still going. I think I might have lost a stick. Nope, still see 5 sticks.
Oh boy, Thomas.
Okay. Yes. Oh, dude. Go another way. Oh my god, all the sticks fell. Okay. Okay. Oh wow, the last stuff is off. Okay. 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 Oh boy. Oh boy. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. It's got a big anchor now. All those little strings attached to it. Oh man, it just... Oh my gosh. 4 sticks are still attached together here. There you go. Oh, perfect. Uh-oh. Is that one of the sticks? Oh my god, it was. Oh, I don't even know where it went. Oh, it's still over there. Okay, it doesn't count anymore. It's totally broken. But it still has a ways to go, so we're gonna try again. Make sure to like and subscribe if you want to see more videos of boats going down this stream.